Oh, this is cute.
I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm beginning to fall in love.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this gorgeous clippings that I have on right now. Like, guys, are you seeing this? Like, this is just amazing. And I used just 2 packs of hair to get this density. So if you don't want it this full, you can definitely use less than 2 packs, but this is just perfect for me because I kind of like big hair. Okay guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna have all the details for this hair in the description box below. So if you want to buy this hair, you want to know more about it, definitely check the description box below. All the details are going to be there. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the video. Keep watching and thank you. Bye bye. Okay guys, so this is basically my braiding pattern. I just have like really messy messy braids behind, and I have these 2 out here. So what I did is I created a side part because that's the style I want, and I just took some hair out because I usually like to slick the space back a bit sometimes. And I have this, and when I sectioned off this part, I also took a little bit from the side, so just a little bit right here. Some hair is left out there, so just so you guys know, the rest of the hair, as I said earlier, is just braided into like really messy braids. I've been wearing a wig for like a couple days, so those braids are the ones that I wear under my wig. So yes. Anyway, just basically you can do chunky braids, you can do twists, whatever. Just make sure that your braids are not too tight so that the clips can go inside. Yeah, okay, I got 2 packs of the hair. So each pack comes with 1 weft that has 4 combs. So what I did was I took out the 4 comb weft and just put the 2 of them together. Same thing as the other one. So it also has 2-3 comb wefts in each pack. So I just put those ones together. This is just going to make it easier when I'm putting the clip-ins and trying to know where to put what. So I'm just gonna let you guys know how much hair I have in total. So I have 2 4-comb wefts, I have 4 3-comb wefts, I have 6 2-comb wefts, and 2 1-comb wefts. Okay, so yes, I have 14 wefts all together. So yes, let's get started. Usually what I like to do is I like to start from the front just to make sure that I have enough hair, because it's better to have more hair in front than at the back, you know. So what you want to do is take 1 weft and measure the side that you want to cover. So right now, the first thing I want to do is around the part. Okay, so I'm taking the 3-comb weft, and clip-ins they come with combs like this if you don't know. So they come with combs like this, and then all you need to do is just push the back and the combs open. Okay, so this one is closed. As you can see, you can't really see the comb, but this one is open right there. So all you need to do is push the back right here, and you have your comb open, and when it's time to close it, just push the front and it's closed. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and open all 3 combs, and I'm going to measure that. You probably should measure before opening it, but I mean, it really doesn't matter. I just know that this is going to fit because I've done this a couple times. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so basically all you need to do is, okay, hold on, I need my mirror. So all you need to do is take this and just put it straight into your hair. This is why you want to make sure that your hair isn't too tight, so that the combs can easily enter. So right there, and then you just push back so that's closed. Move forward. Guys, I know my hair is a bit dirty. As I told you guys, I've been wearing a wig for a couple days, and I'm gonna wash my hair this weekend, okay? That's in like 3 days. Don't judge, jeez. And I'm gonna move this. So this fits just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing the same thing around my head. Oh yes guys, so one thing I forgot to mention was I have a mesh cap on. So basically when I just did my my braids behind, I just put on a mesh cap, and this is just going to ensure that I have space to put my clip-ins wherever I want, because there's literally cap everywhere. Okay, so yeah, just mentioning that to you guys. I always do that whenever I do my clip-ins, okay? And I'm so glad that this hair came with these clips, because they're so helpful. And guys, if you put the hair on and you feel any kind of tension, take it out and put it again, because if you don't take it out when you're feeling that tension, you're going to end up ripping your hair. And this is meant to be a protective style. We're not trying to lose more hair than we already have lost, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, whenever you put it and you feel any tension, take it out and put it again. Get it? Okay. And usually what I do is the first 2 clips that I put in front, I do them really close, and then I try to start spacing them out more. And then at the end, if I have more hair, then I go and fill those spaces. You get? So guys, this is basically what we have right now after putting the 2 packs. As you can see, it is really full. It is really big, and I really like it like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to blend my hair in. I'm a bit scared because the top is a bit flatter than I would like, and my hair tends to get puffy. So I don't know how the blending is gonna work, but we're gonna do it, okay? We're going to try it. I will be right back with the stuff we are using to blend our hair to make it look like this. Okay, I'm back. Okay guys, I'm back. Don't cry. Oh my god, I'm back. Jeez. So I'm basically going to try to make my curls look like this. I don't even know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna try it, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna be using 2 products today, or 3 products including water. I'm using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. And then I'm also going to be using Eco Styler Gel, because that's the only gel that they have around my house that will work for me, okay? So I'm using Eco Styler Gel just because that's the only option I have. And then I'm also going to be using water because I need my hair to be wet to do the curls. Alright? Okay, let's get started. Guys, imagine my hair was this long. I will not even allow you to talk to me. It wasn't of that. I'm not my level. Like, move. Kind of package. People that have long hair are trying to. But okay, so first thing, I'm gonna take my water. This is literally just water, nothing else, and make my hair wet. She brought my towel, but okay, well, I'm just gonna wing it because I'm not standing up again. Then first thing I'm going to do is take the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm going to do this in sections just cause. Taking this much, and I'm just going to apply it all around this section. So yeah, I'm just putting the gel on right now, and the gel is literally what forms your curls. Just combing it through, make sure that there's gel on every strand. So now this is what I have, but but it's not as defined as I would want. So I'm going to go ahead and just start twisting it by myself. The struggle is real for people that have 4C hair. Like, you have to do an extra step for everything, bro. So annoying. And I've seen people do this. Let's see if that works. Yeah, no. Ouch. Yeah, no. And the reason I'm using a curl enhancing smoothie and gel is because this Eco Styler gel tends to make my hair a lot more crunchy than I want. So the curl enhancing smoothie is just going to help me soften it up. And you're going to see some white stuff, but it will clear after a while, okay? Don't panic. I'm just going to take this off and try to start blending my hair and the extension together. And basically what I do is I just take my natural hair and just get one part of the extension that is like in the same area, and I just twist it together just like that. So as you can see, that just blends in from my hair straight into the extension. So I'm gonna keep doing that till I'm done blending everything, and then I'll tie this down. Alright guys, so this has been tied down for like almost 2 hours now. Hoping it's dry because I just tied it down under these 2 scarves. What I'm going to do now is just spritz some water on the hair to kind of revive the curls, and then we'll see how this turned out. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I totally love this hair, like no kidding. This is my second time getting clip-ins from this company, and I really like their clip-ins. This is just 2 bundles and it is so full. Usually when you get clip-ins from companies or other companies that I've gotten clip-ins from, 2 bundles just doesn't look right. Like 2 bundles is just never enough. There was this company that gave me 2 bundles. I'm not gonna mention the name, but they gave me 2 bundles and they asked for 3 bundles, and it was still very, very, very scanty. I couldn't even use it for a full head. It was just not right. But this one, like, sis, are you seeing me like with blonde hair? Like, hi guys. Anyways, I really like this. This is such a cute color, such a cute hair texture. It just really worked out well for me. I'm very, very happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also check out my other videos because they are nice. I keep saying this because I believe my videos are really nice, so you should watch them. Thank you. You're welcome at the same time. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.